Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Open Event Viewer and focus on the exact error source, ID, and timestamp. That tells you what to fix. Once done, record recent installs, updates, driver changes, and which user sessions saw the fault, because context narrows root causes fast. Make a targeted export of the specific log range too. evtex for safe analysis and to preserve evidence. You'll need that file for deeper inspection or when you consult docs or colleagues. Don't skip this step. Next, filter to errors and criticals, then narrow by time. Use the XML view to copy full event details so you can search precisely. Once you have the ID and keywords, match them against Microsoft documentation and known hotfixes. That explains the why. Simultaneously run sfc/scano and dism restore health to repair system components. Make sure to compare their output timestamps with the logged events. If the repair tools report mismatches, you've found a likely component corruption vector. Now perform the fix aligned with your findings. Update or roll back drivers, uninstall problematic apps, or install the specific Windows update or hotfix indicated by the event ID. Once applied, reproduce the failing scenario while you clear relevant logs so new events prove whether the issue persists. Make sure to verify system behavior across affected user accounts. If it still fails, enable verbose or debug logging and capture full logs for escalation. That one extra trace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.